my name is Snehal and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Yes, so from the title, you know that it's a 3-product makeup challenge, and believe me, it was really difficult from so many products here to only 3 products here. It was a tough journey. After a lot of thinking and what's my favorite, what's my not, what my skin needs, and all of the things, I have selected 3 products. So let's just start with the challenge. At first, for my face and for my base, I need to do some blemish correction, some darkness correction, and for that I am using my concealer. So this concealer, it is Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 144 Caramel. This shade right here is an exact replica of what my skin is, but better. So that's why I'm going to use this. I'm not going to use much product because we are not using powder to set today. So I'm just hoping a little bit will go a long way. Let's just see. And then blending. Because today I'm not using brush, just using my finger to blend. I need a lot of time to just get the coverage right and get the finish right. So yeah, blend. Next step will be liner. It's a very local one and I love it. Applying a winged eyeliner. And whatever liner sticks to your lashes, you can just spread it all over, and your mascara is also done. And the thing with liner is, थोड़ा यहाँ नहीं और थोड़ा यहाँ पे और थोड़ा यहाँ कर करके I ruin my liner, seriously. So I think I should stop now, or else. So that way my liner is done and I'm really liking the way it has turned out. What do you think? So next is our Ramban, our Shastra, Indra, what? Never mind. So next is this lipstick, which will be our 3 products in one. And I'm taking, this is 7 Heavens lipstick in a very bad condition, but okay. So this is this wine shade and can be used as blush, eyeshadow, lipstick. So all things are being taken care of. So are you ready?
These days I'm so used to liquid lipstick that I can't even apply lipstick with a bullet.
So lipstick's done, and let me see like where I can use this product. So first, this is a, if you take in a very light amount, it can be a light pinkish blush. So hope for the best. Oh wow, it is looking good. Can you see it? No? Let me zoom you in. Just take the lipstick and then do this and then apply. And then spread evenly. Thing which I'm going to do now will ruin or add to the look, but I don't know. We have to try. It's a challenge. So I'm taking a little bit of eyeshadow session, lipstick, rubbing. I'm just gonna see how it's done. Let's not take this all over like in the tear duct, just at the end. I like the eyeshadow and it's a success for me. Yay! So guys, that's it. I guess this is the challenge and I feel I have successfully done it. I also nominate you guys. If any of you did this 3 product makeup challenge, please do tag me or do let me know you have done it and I'll be more than happy. If you haven't subscribed yet, there's a red button right down. You know the drill. If you like the video, like it. If you want to shower your love, please note it down in the comments and subscribe. And also guys, please share it with your friends. If you want to challenge them, do it and let me know. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.